Hi, I'm Rich Angelini aboard Joseph P. Kennedy Jr. DD-850 at Battleship Cove. Today we're having a mini field day. We got folks in the background working, priming, chipping paint. We're freshening up the ship after the long winter. In the Northeast we have a lot of snow, and the expansion of the metal due to heat and cold pops paint. So we're going back through, refreshing the ship up. And we have about 12 volunteers here today, some of them veterans of this ship, some of them veterans of the Vietnam War, Marines, a lot of civilians, of folks who served, family members of folks who served. So right now we're just basically going through and restoring, looking for volunteers if anybody's interested in helping, but mainly we go through the whole ship and make her look like she did during the Vietnam time frame, late 1969 through 1973.
Hi, my name is Ted Hayes. I've been volunteering here at Battleship Cove for about 12 years, mostly on the Joseph P. Kennedy Jr., although I have worked on all of the other ships at one time or another. Right now we are preparing for our spring field day, which comes up in May. We're doing some prep work now. When the crew gets here in May, we'll be doing a whole lot more work in painting and prepping, and trying to keep this ship looking as she did when she was in service back in the 1960s and the early 70s.
Hi, my name is James Gay. I've been volunteering here at Battleship Cove on the Kennedy since 2012, and today we're working up forward on the starboard bow section and on the starboard bulkhead, and we're kind of chipping chipping the rust away, making it smooth down the surface so that we can put the paint on.
Hello, my name is John Wagner. This is my brother Michael. We both served on the USS DD-850, 1960s, Cold War in Vietnam. We volunteer up here on the Kennedy. We're part of the restoration crew, and we come up here to try to preserve the history of Gearing-class destroyers.
Ditto what he said. We served together, and then we did get on a tender at the end of our time in the Navy. Puget Sound was the last ship we were on. We got out in 1970. I got out 66 to 1970.
We are looking for volunteers. Anybody that's interested to come up and wants to work on the ship, just come on up to Battleship Cove or look up on the internet and request information. Love to have you.
Everybody, thanks very much for watching this video and seeing what kind of work we're doing on Joseph P. Kennedy Jr. DD-850. We have our programs every month. Our battleship behind us does as well, but the destroyer program is pretty active. As we mentioned, we're restoring everything to the way it was in the late 1960s, early 1970s. We hope that you like this video. Give us a shout out if you'd like to volunteer. Again, my name is Rich Angelini. We'd love to welcome you aboard, and so do our other volunteers and crew members. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out some of the other videos that we have on there, and to show our volunteers at work, and also a little bit of history about your ships, because these ships all belong to you. Thank you very much.